weather is coming. Test your heater now. Now is the time before the cold of the winter months comes upon us to turn on your heater and check to make sure it functions properly. Typically, residents come home from work on Friday. A bitter cold front blows in early Saturday morning, and temperatures drop low. You're cold, your wife's cold, the kids are freezing, and you turn on the heater, but no heat. A lot of people are in the same boat, and before you know it, the heating vendors are backlogged for days and are unable to get to your house as quickly as you want them to. Now is the time to be proactive, not reactive. Turn on your heater now and make sure it functions correctly for when you need it. Don't wait for a headache and frustration of having to wait hours or even days to have your heater's pilot light turned on. If your heater is not working, you can schedule a time with CPS by calling 210-353-2222 or use this link to have someone come out and light your pilot light. The first time you turn on your furnace when it has not been used in a while, you may smell the dust that's been burnt off of the burners. This odor will quit after a little while. The AC heating unit filter still must be changed on a regular basis so that the coils remain open and airflow is not restricted. Not changing the filter on a regular basis not only affects the functionality of the unit, but also will run your utility bill up. A good practice is to change the filter when you pay the rent. For any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at maintenance@liberty.pm.